Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will check how to use the Coursera app to access courses and earn professional certificates. First of all, you'll need to install the Coursera app and tap on the icon to open it. After the app launches, you'll land on the Learn page where you'll see an Explore Courses section. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to the Explore page, where a variety of courses are displayed on the screen. Browse through the list and find a course that matches your interests or learning goals. Coursera offers both short courses and full degree programs across a wide range of fields and industries. You can also explore the list of most popular courses available on the platform. Once you find a course you like, simply tap on it, and it will open a detailed page with complete information about that course. Here, you'll see several important details about the course. First, you'll see the course title, its rating, and the number of students who have already enrolled in it, which can help you decide whether the course is worth your time. This course is offered by Google, so it's a great opportunity to earn a recognized professional certificate. The course is fully online, so you don't need to worry about attending any in-person sessions, and it also offers flexible deadlines, allowing you to learn at your own pace instead of following a strict schedule. Below that, you'll find key course topics and skills, which can help you understand whether the course aligns with your personal or professional goals. Next, there's a syllabus section where you can review the course outline, see what topics will be covered week by week, and check approximately how long the course will take to complete. After that, you can read top reviews and ratings shared by other learners who have already completed the course. Once you successfully complete the course, you'll earn a certificate from Coursera. There's also an FAQ section available in case you have additional questions about the course. When you're ready to join, simply tap on See Enroll Options, and you'll be prompted to log in or sign up to continue. Next, choose the sign-in option that works best for you. In this example, I'll continue using my Google account to create an account and sign in. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll return to the course page. Now tap on See Enroll Options again. This will display the subscription plans available for the course, such as the Coursera Plus subscription or a professional certificate plan that may be billed monthly or yearly. Select the plan that best fits your needs and tap on the Enroll button. After that, you'll be asked to confirm your payment, and the subscription cost will be displayed according to your local currency. This is how you can enroll in a course using the Coursera app. Now let's go back and explore more features. From the bottom menu, if you tap on the Career tab, it will open a page that displays a list of career-related categories and keywords. You can browse through them to find professions related to your interests or future goals. For example, if I select Project Manager, it will show details about related career opportunities and recommended courses. If I tap on the arrow icon, it will take me to another page where I can explore courses from universities, academies, and organizations that are tailored specifically to that career path. Once you've enrolled in your courses, you can begin your learning journey toward your desired career. In the Learn tab, you'll see all the courses you've joined along with your current learning progress. Next, tap on the Profile tab at the bottom, which will take you to your account page. Here, you'll see your profile details along with analytics related to your learning activity, including completed courses and earned certificates. If you tap on the gear icon at the top, it will open the settings page, where you can adjust your app appearance, connect your calendar, manage syllabus-related settings, and customize other preferences. For example, if I want to switch from dark mode to light mode, I can simply select light mode, and you'll immediately see the changes reflected on the screen. Let's go back again, and from the bottom right, tap on the search icon to find any course, topic, or keyword you're interested in. Coursera will then display all the related results for you. This is a simple and effective way to learn new skills, build your career, or even earn a degree from top universities directly through the Coursera app.